There are many plants with personalities and traits, and some of them are listed here. These unique indoor plants can move, dance, revive, regrow, mimic, and even act to catch their prey, and adding them to your houseplant collection can be rewarding. Number 1. The autograph tree. The stiff, leathery, dark green leaves can be used to write messages and signatures, and that's why it got its name. Number 2. Pebble Plant. Also known as living stones, as they closely resemble rocks and stones. These unique succulents evolved this strategy to eschew animals and pests in nature. Number 3. Swallowtail Plant. The triangular-shaped burgundy green foliage looks like a swallowtail butterfly. Number 4. Mother of Millions. This unique succulent can produce countless baby plantlets from the edges of the leaves. Number 5. Lipstick Plant. Bright red to purple-brown tubular flowers resemble lipstick, hence the name. Number 6. Resurrection Plant. This plant can come back from death. It can rehydrate and reactivate its metabolism in a few hours when exposed to the moisture after complete desiccation. Number 7. Sensitive Plant. Also known as shame plant, it proves that plants are living things by their ability to fold the leaves when touched. Number 8. Venus Flytrap. This extraordinary plant can work as an insect repellent in your home. It's prized with unique insect-catching toothed leaves. Number 9. Vanilla Orchid. Also known as vanilla plant, it has a pleasant vanilla fragrance, the only orchid that grows edible fruits. Number 10. Monkey Orchid. The exciting trait of this orchid is it looks like a monkey's face. One more amazing quality that makes it a part of this unique indoor plants list is it emits a strong orange scent. Number 11. Dancing Plant. Although the plants can't walk, they can dance, especially this one. It can put you in bewilderment with its leaflets that can move. Number 12. Stevia. The distinct feature of stevia leaves is that they can be used as a sweetener, suitable for diabetic and calorie-conscious people. Number 13. Desert Rose. It's a natural bonsai that anyone can grow with ease. The plump trunk looks really stunning with bright flowers. Number 14. Tillandsia. The best part about growing these plants is the fact that they do well without soil. They also come in unusual shapes. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.